Adobe Illustrator free. Can I get Adobe Illustrator for free? If you wish to use Adobe Illustrator free, the first thing you need to do is download and install Adobe Creative Cloud totally free trial. Making use of Adobe Illustrator free on a regular basis is however difficult, although you may evaluate this vector editor for 7 days completely at no cost, or set up a free Adobe Illustrator on your smart device. Adobe provides an option for people who intend to make use of one of its programs before needing to spend for the registration, a totally free test. Adobe Illustrator is an effective product for creating all sorts of images based upon vector graphics. It permits the creation of logo designs, sketches, typographies, and also intricate drawings that can be used in printed publications in addition to in digital media as well as interactive styles. Adobe Illustrator becomes part of Adobe's Creative Cloud, as well as you need to have a membership to use the program. The Adobe membership is paid month to month or each year, and also with this payment, you get the most recent variation of the program, totally updated. Any kind of upgrade that comes out does not need an added payment. In order to download and install the totally free trial, you must initially access the website of Adobe or the program you wish to install, in this case, Illustrator. Most likely to the Illustrator's internet site as well as take a look at the top of the window for a button called Free Trial. About Adobe Illustrator certification. We are the most effective Adobe Illustrator free trial and training in Dubai and will continue to be. Simply reach us and we will look after your training needs completely. Additionally, as we offer training in tiny teams in our classes, each trainee will certainly receive additional interest which helps them address their inquiries easily when they are getting training from our professionals. The Illustrator training course instructors are senior designers with more than 5 years of experience in providing professional training in various computer-aided designs like Photoshop, Illustrator, CorelDRAW, Flash and multimedia subjects. Zabeel uses licensed software for conducting their training. Live data is used in the practical sessions to give hands-on experience to the participants. Significance of Adobe Illustrator training in 2021. Having an all-around profile filled with skills just like Adobe Illustrator certification will certainly offer you a one-up when future companies are making their decisions. It canister make your creativity cut loose. Benefits of Adobe certifications for individuals. Adobe accreditation is the outright ideal method to interact your efficiency in Adobe items. Resumes with Adobe qualifications obtained discovered and also fast-tracked by hiring supervisors. Adobe certified professionals make recognition and regard from associates and employers. Adobe accredited specialists get unique updates on Adobe's latest products and innovations. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for Adobe Illustrator free trial and Adobe Illustrator training in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best Illustrator draw training. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for Adobe Illustrator training every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. Zabeel Institute, established in 1988, is a leading educational and training institute for executives in Dubai. Zabeel Institute is by the KHDA and Ministry of Education UAE. Zabeel offers training programs to professionals from various industries like airlines, travel and tourism, engineering, construction, accounts and finance, information technology, logistics, languages, and management. For further information, please contact phone 00971 4 3974905. WhatsApp 009715052585501. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/